Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the ROODO Dog Stroller, a versatile and lightweight solution for pet owners on the go. This three-wheeled pet stroller is designed for small dogs and cats up to 30 pounds, offering a tool-free installation with quick-release wheels for hassle-free setup and storage. The stroller features a fully supported seat for a stable and safe ride, while the multi-directional breathable nets ensure your pet enjoys fresh air and protection from insects. With its compact foldable design, it easily fits into your car trunk, making it perfect for walking, jogging, or traveling with your furry friend. Plus, the convenient storage basket allows you to carry essentials with ease. Whether you're heading to the park or embarking on a new adventure, the ROODO Dog Stroller is your ideal companion for outdoor activities with your pet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.